Here in the Washington metro region, some 2,000 patients are waiting right now for a life-saving organ. That's 2,000 people, just like you, just like your best friend, just like your mother, waiting. But there are heroes among us. This is Monica. She's the reason I didn't die waiting. The heart she was born with beats within my chest and keeps me alive. It has now for over 21 years. Whenever I hike the Appalachian Trail, Monica hikes with me. Because Monica made the simple choice to be an organ and tissue donor, I was able to see my 3 children grow up, pursue my dreams, do what I love. Her generosity gave me life. Monica is my hero. Become an organ and tissue donor. Just say yes at the DMV or go to beadonor.org.